Take a ride in the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, power brakes. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.